Hi, this is Priyanshu, and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MEC 102 Macroeconomics Analysis, MA Economics. In Before starting the question, I want to share something. We are providing the whole PDF solution from question 1 to end question. So, if you need a whole answer of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, which is 900 You can also call us on our WhatsApp number. And now the question is saying that discuss how an economy achieves equilibrium in the ISLM model. What do the points outside the IS curve signify? And highlight the factors that influence the IS and the LM curves. So if you need a whole answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can see the very small answer that you on the screen. If you need a whole solution, so you kindly contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide you the all the solution in the PDF form. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, so like and subscribe also. Thank you.